called Computer-Assisted Language Learning by Janet Exmaquilagua Sánchez, Universidad Autónoma del Estado de México, Facultad de Lenguas. A definition of CALL is as a computer-assisted language learning is often perceived somewhat narrowly as an approach to language teaching and learning in which the computer is used as an aid to the presentation, reinforcement, and assessment of material to be learned, usually including a substantial interactive element. A brief history of CALL is CALL's origin can be traced back to the 1960s up until the late 1970s. CALL projects were confined mainly to universities where computer programs were developed on a large mainframe computers. CALL favored an approach that drew heavily on practices associated with programming instruction in 1980s. CALL widened its scope, embracing the communicative approach and a range of new technologies. CALL has now established itself as an important area of research in higher education. Traditional CALL. Traditional CALL programs present a stimulus to which the learner had to provide a response. CALL programs, the stimulus was in the form of text present on a screen. Discrete error analysis and feedback were a common feature of a traditional CALL. An alternative approach is the use of artificial intelligence techniques to parse the learner's response to CALL intelligent CALL. More recent approaches to CALL have favored a learner-centered explorative approach rather than a teacher-centered drill-based approach to CALL. The explorative approach is characterized by the use of concordance programs in the language classroom. The explorative approach is widely used today, including the use of web concordancers and other web-based CALL activities. That is explorative CALL. And we have another topic that is multimedia CALL, and this in early personal computers were incapable of presenting authentic recordings of the human voice and easily recognizable images. But this limitation was overcome by combining a personal computer and a 12-inch video disc player, which made it possible to combine sound, photographic quality, still images, and video recordings in imaginative presentation. In essence, the earliest manifestation of multimedia CALL. The result was the development of interactive video disc for language learners. And we have web-based CALL. That is, the web offers enormous potential in language learning and teaching, but it has some way to go before it catches up with the interactivity and speed of access offered by CD-ROMs or DVDs, especially when accessing sound and video files. The web and running audio conference and video conferencing in conjunction with website activities. That is web-based CALL. And also exist CALL authority programs. The CALL authority programs offer a do-it-yourself approach to CALL. They were originally developed to enable programmers to simplify the entry of data provided by language teachers. Modern CALL authoring programs are designed to be used by language teachers who have no knowledge of computer programming. That's it. Information of CALL, and the reference is Graham D. Center for Language Linguistics and Area Studies, and you can read the complete article. And that's all. Thank you.